Hello, my name is Cristian. I'm with Larson Packaging Company, and today we're going to show how to use and how to install and disinstall clamps for crates. You got to use a hammer for it, and you got to place it in the right spot. You just do a little pressure in here and it will pop up really easy. That's one. That's two. Three. And four. That's how you open crate using clamps. Now you're gonna close it. Just take the clamp, this part going up, and just push. So make sure you always put this part first. Last one. And the clamps are actually very safe. We can use as many as we consider it's need, and we're open. That's how we close a crate using clamps.